Yeah, I've been told it's bad for you, but I
Protect
still
the
do
bombs.
it. Oh,
More stretch my neck. It's more of a stretch my neck, you know?
Yeah, dude, I'd be cracking that thing. Sounds like a
Bomb
freaking
locations are
popcorn
secure.
kernel's going off.
It didn't actually shoot a hole through the wall. I knew you were trying to shoot that. So I thought you shot something else. You literally shot the thing. It didn't shoot a hole through the wall. So I was like, okay, that's like, I thought he was aiming there. He's not aiming there. I love when bullets don't do the things bullets made to do.